Yeah, it's the first time you couldn't see anything, dude.
Yeah, it was really bad.
Yeah.
I think we counted like a lot of like roots.
Oh, really?
Different connections.
Yeah, almost every hub.
Yeah, it's very common, especially in this area.
Yeah, the older home there.
Yeah, mainly with the clay, the joints get compromised very easily.
Right.
Usually they pour it with cement around it, and cement eventually sweats, which allows trees to penetrate that. And it just starts off with a little hairline root, and eventually it starts to grow. It starts feeding in there.
Is there anything we can pour in there that like kills all these roots?
They say Rudex.
Rudex?
Yeah, but I don't really ever use it.
It doesn't work.
Have you ever seen it work?
Not really. It does delay the issue, but
eventually
you gotta snake it out. And as long as you guys stay on like the maintenance, because there's no issues that I see that are major. As long as you guys maintain it and don't let those roots get so big and aggressive, then we can cable it. We recommend at least every year. Usually just cable it, and then maybe every couple of years get the hydrojet out here, clean it thoroughly.
Yeah, because I was telling Joseph that we did the hydrojet maybe last year around summertime.
Oh really?
Yeah, and then it just grew back fast. So.
See that one?
Oh.
It's like the top of the pipe's missing. So it looks like this location right here. There's a section of pipe missing.
Oh yeah.
On the roof. So it looks like the only spot I've seen so far. Yeah, so that's a hole in the pipe.
A chunk of the pipe.
I feel like it's like maybe like one of the worst spots too. Big ball coming down.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so the roots might be really aggressive in that area.
Yeah.
So we'll locate that after I finish recording.
That's close.
Yeah, it was 13 feet away from us.